care of their problem.
Yeah.
That's what we're here for.
Their job is their livelihood, so we have to make sure that they keep going, and we try to get the parts as quick as possible for them.
You've got an AC system that's on the chassis, you have one that's in the rear of the truck, so you're going to need to know which part of that truck it's going to be on. If you're not familiar, yeah, you could wind up with getting some wrong stuff.
As long as we get all the information we need from them, we can look in the trucks and we can get everything out that they need.
You're going to want to find a place that you're going to be able to get your aftermarket needs. With parts, there's not a lot out there that will do as much as LDV does for their customers.
And with our service team too, if they have something that they say that you need, they just transfer them to us and then we get the parts ordered for them. There are times that when customers buy brand new trucks and they want to put some new displays in their trucks, the salesman will actually contact us on parts and we will give the customer all the information that they need, they can pick from, so that way it's there when it gets delivered.
Every
It
day
is a puzzle. It really is. It is. It's putting the trucks together. It really is a puzzle, but yeah.
We try just to make it as easy as possible.